lot of people have been asking me to do a freestyle stick cam flight because when people saw my racing footage, they noticed that I was hitting full stick on a lot of the maneuvers. That's because I use low rates, and I use the same low rates for freestyle. And a lot of people wonder how I'm able to get away with that and how I'm able to do some of the moves that I do. And also just want to see what I do on the sticks while I fly. So figured I'd give it to you guys right now. This is my freestyle setup. Links to everything in the description down below. Get a sync clap there. I don't know. That'll be good enough. Alrighty. Alright. You wanna just come from the top like that? Yep. Yep. Alright, that's just one set of broken. Exactly why I bring my squirrel up, but I don't need to. That was close. Alright, let's see if I can actually get in the air now. Ooh. Let's go explore here. See if I can perch on top of this. There's you guys. Bugs. Yeah. There's your guys' stick cam. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got to see kind of what I'm doing under the sticks. And thank you so much for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you thought down below. What rates you fly. And we'll catch you on the next one.